Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'll be your guide into the world of the Russian language. Today, we're learning 10 essential phrases that you can use every day. They are simple, natural, and very common in real life. So let's get started. Привет. Здравствуйте. Our first phrase is of course a greeting. You for sure know привет. It is friendly and informal. We use it with relatives and friends. To strangers or senior people, we usually say здравствуйте. Note that v here is mute. Usually we say it like здрасте. Phrase number 2 is спасибо, which is thank you. We say it all the time. It works in absolutely any situation, anytime, anywhere. Пожалуйста. Note that we don't say пожалуйста. We say пожалуйста. It can mean please in a sentence like дай мне это, пожалуйста. Give it to me, please. Or it can mean you're welcome when you reply to thank you. And it can also mean here you go. When you give something to someone, you say пожалуйста. Извините, простите. Both of them mean excuse me and I'm sorry. You can use them when you bump into someone or you want to attract someone's attention. Я хочу. I want. We can use a noun after я хочу. For example, я хочу мороженое. I want an ice cream. Or a verb. For example, я хочу погулять. I want to go for a walk. Мне надо or мне нужно. Both of them mean I need. Мне нужно купить билет. I need to buy a ticket. Мне надо в аптеку. I need to go to the pharmacy. Simple question. Где? Where? Like, где метро? Where is the subway? Где туалет? Where is the restroom? Где ты? Where are you? A phrase that might come in very handy. Я не понимаю. I don't understand. This phrase is essential for any beginner. It's polite, natural, and it shows people that they need to slow down in their speech or maybe they need to try speaking English to you. Another question. Можно? It can be both can I or may I. You use this phrase when you ask for something like in a cafe. Можно мне меню? Can I have the menu? Or you also use it to ask for permission. Можно войти? May I come in? Хорошо. Okay. We use it as a reaction to a suggestion. Посмотрим фильм? Let's watch a movie. Хорошо. Okay. Or as a signal that we understand what the other person told us, or that we agree with it. Я ухожу. I'm leaving. Хорошо. Okay, let's practice. Which phrases will you use in these situations? Здравствуйте. Спасибо. Где Третьяковская галерея? Я не понимаю. Встречаемся завтра в 11. Хорошо. If you enjoyed this lesson, check out the next one. We'll learn how to introduce yourself in Russian using simple and natural patterns. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.